How's it going, guys? Vincent here, and in this video we are going to be uh, shaping some eyeglasses frames. And these are my old eyeglasses. I did just get some new eyeglasses, and so we are going to be figuring out how to make the new eyeglass frames feel a lot more comfortable using cheap things that hopefully most people have, like a heat gun or a hair dryer. And honestly, a hair dryer is probably better than a heat gun because the heat gun gets super hot super fast, so just be really careful with this stuff. And these are my new eyeglasses, so what we're going to be doing is basically pushing these arms, I think are what they're called on eyeglasses. We're going to be bending these outwards just so that they don't press as hard on my temples, and then we can kind of get them to a shape that I like. But yeah, so I'm just going to take it nice and slow. The caveats here before you do any of this stuff are, number one, avoid any direct heat on the actual lens or lenses themselves, because if you warp this part, you've kind of ruined your glasses. So while you're heating it up, I would recommend kind of maybe having your hand right behind it so you can feel and prevent the heat from getting its way through to the actual lenses. And then also what you can do is, if you're really concerned, maybe like get some tin foil and like tape off the front part of the glasses so that your lenses don't get any direct heat exposure. But yeah, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to wing it like I wing most things in life now these days. But yeah, so we've got that right there. I'm going to put this bad boy there so you can see what I'm doing, if it's helpful. Yet to be seen. And so I have my new glasses here, as you can see, or these are my old glasses. I'm going to use these as like a template because I have like a wide head. But this applies to getting the curves right. So like you can see they're not the same. So basically I'm just going to be shaping these to get them to what I like. If you don't have a template, I guess it's just a matter of like you put them on, you see what it feels like. If it feels good, great. If it doesn't, keep shaping it. So I'm just going to use this as a little template, and because I don't have my glasses now I can't really see, but I do have a heat gun, so and basically the trick here is to just do it kind of like this. Let this area heat up. Make sure you're distributing the heat evenly, so don't focus on one area for too long because otherwise it'll start melting and that's bad. And then put the heat away, and then just kind of start bending these things outward very carefully. And you just kind of work your way out, and you do apply like a gentle pressure to it. But you just take your time, be patient, don't heat it up too much, and just keep working it out. It's like relieving the stress and tension in your life, you know? But yeah, I think you guys hopefully get the gist of it. I'm just going to keep going until this begins to look more like that, which already is beginning to look like we're making some good progress here. And then I guess we can also do is just this, so maybe directing the heat away. Avoid too much heat, but when you get the plastic nice and warm, that's when you kind of come in and you just gently work it out. You just take your time, be patient, try to keep it symmetric so that it doesn't end up looking too weird. So, you know, there you go. We're just going to keep on chipping away at this thing until these look like my other glasses. But yeah, that's it. Hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you all for watching.